Description: Let's CMW2511 Wedge bulb. 1. High-performance LED design, equipped with ultra-high brightness 5055 LEDs mounted on a level for double-sided copper PCB for superior heat dissipation and durability. 2. Versatile application, suitable for various vehicles and uses, including interior lighting, driving warning lights, license plate illumination, and trunk lighting. 3. Efficient energy usage, operates with a wide voltage range of 12 to 30 VDC, featuring a PWM module for stable current regulation. Power consumption: 0.96 W, ensuring consistent performance and extended lifespan. 4. Innovative lighting design. The CMW2511 H23 features a 5-sided light-emitting design, providing a wide 180-degree beam angle for superior visibility and even illumination. 5. Wide compatibility, available in both 12 VDC and 24 VDC option with customizable colors, making it ideal for cars, trucks, and other vehicles. 6. Color options, offers a color temperature of 6000 K for cool white illumination. The LED CMW2511 T10 HP3 is the perfect solution for modern vehicle lighting needs, combining brightness, energy efficiency, and versatility in one compact design. Additionally, it can be customized to produce high-efficiency red, yellow, blue, green, or other colors to meet specific requirements.